Hi guys, welcome to Plugin channel. In this video we're going to be going through how to create custom fields using Restrict Content Pro custom field plugin. Now before we continue, Restrict Content Pro custom field plugin is an extension of Restrict Content Pro plugin which is created by iTunes. And so Restrict Content Pro plugin has to be installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard or your WordPress membership site for the Restrict Content Pro custom field plugin to work. So you can always install your Restrict Content Pro plugin with the plugin menu. Go to add new. You just search up Restrict Content Pro. There, this is it. Restrict content. Now the plugin that pops out in your list of plugins is the free version, but then you can always upgrade from here to the pro version, which is what will be needed for the custom field plugins to work. So after a successful installation and activation of this restrict content, you can always upgrade it to your pro version, or you could just go to restrictcontentpro.com, the website. You click on buy now. You have the plugin available for just one site, for 5 sites, and for the unlimited version. So you could just select the ones that work best with your site, and after purchasing, you go back to your plugin menu on your WordPress admin site. You click on upload plugin. Here you're able to choose file, and I just select the Restrict Content Pro downloaded already. So this is it here. After that, you could just go in to install now. I'm not going to do that for my site because I already have the Restrict Content Pro installed already. So I'm just going to go ahead with activating it. Activate. Plugin activated. Thank you. So after successful activation, you can now go ahead to choose the Restrict Content Pro custom field plugin. Restrict Content Pro custom field plugin is not a free plugin. It's not a free version. It's a paid version, and you can always purchase it on pluginet.com. Pluginet.com is a shopping platform that sells the best handcrafted plugins. So we have WooCommerce checkout field editor. They have Restrict Content Pro custom fields. For those using Restrict Content Pro, they have the paid membership pro for builders for paid membership pro. They have DV Social, clickable US SVG app. So in the course of this video, we're going to be going with Restrict Content Pro custom fields. So as I said earlier, Restrict Content Pro custom field allows you to create different types of fields, and you are able to organize your field types without even having to touch any code at all. Now we have different purchase plan here. You have the basic, the professional, the ultimate. So you can just go ahead to select which one works best for your site. And after purchasing, the same way we did for the Restrict Content Pro, we do for the Restrict Content Pro custom fields. You just go to add new. You go to upload plugin, choose file type. Basically the steps we took in installing the Restrict Content Pro plugin. So I have my form builder here, and click install now. And again, I'm not going to do that now because I already have my Restrict Content Pro custom fields installed already. So I just go ahead with activation. And I click activate. Plugin activated. Thanks for the notification. So on my WordPress dashboard, WordPress admin dashboard, I'm able to see a restrict menu which is different with its sub menus. So you have the membership, customer membership levels, and you also have the custom fields. Restrict Content Pro allows you to be able to restrict content on your sites, and also enables you or gives you the ability to create different membership levels for your site. You can also give out discount codes. You can also make payments. There are different payment gateway channels that work with Restrict Content Pro. Restrict Content Pro comes with different default pages, such as your registration page, your edit profile page, the welcome page, and the likes. So these are examples. You have the register page, you have the edit profile page, you have the account page. So in the course of this video, we're going to be creating custom fields into our registration page. But before we do that, let's take a look at how the registration page looks like. The default registration page, we have the default fields such as the username, email, first name, last name, password again. So now we're going to try to add new fields to this register page. So how do we go about it? We go to restrict custom fields. So this is like the interface to creating custom fields. To create a new field, you click on add field. If the field is to be a required field, you check this, so it gives this red asterisk beside the label. You change the label to whatever field you want. I would, for the course of this video, let's go with company's name. Company name. It already has this unique name there. So for the field type, there are different field types. We have the text area, drop down, radio, checkboxes, password, date, HTML, and the hidden input. So for this custom, I'm going to go with text. If you want this field to show in your registration page for your gold and silver members, you check the two boxes. If you just want it to be on your membership page, you leave only silver checked, and if you want it to be only on your gold, you leave only gold checked. But for the course of this video, I'm going to allow this field to show on both the silver and gold membership page. For the hook, this gives an idea or description of where the field will be placed, in your register page. If you want it to come before your register form, if you want it to come after your password registration, if you want it to come before the subscription form, or after the registration form, or before the registration submit. For the company's name, I'm going to put mine after password registration. Now you can save the value of this field into either your user meta or your membership meta. Then you click on save. Now we successfully created a new field, and now let's go check if it has been added to our registration page. I'm just going to refresh this page. So we have username, email, first name, last name, password again, and then you have your company's name. Let's try creating another field, this time using the checkbox field type. I'm going to go with label favorite city. So we're going to go with the checkbox field type, and then I have, let's see, for my value I'm going to input in city 1. I'm going to change this to my membership method. So I click save. So favorite city has been successfully saved. Let's just take a look at what we choose for not required. A label favorite city, it already has its default unique name. The field type is checkbox. For the hook, now this is coming before registration form. So let's see what it looks like on our registration page. So we go to registration page. I'm just going to refresh this. Okay, so here we can see favorite city coming before the username email. Now why this happened was because of the hook. The hook was before registration form. So now we can play around with this by changing the hook from before register form to after password registration. Let's see what it looks like after saving. Okay, so we just refresh the registration page. So now this is cool. We have the username, email, first name, last name, password again, the company's name, and then our favorite city down here. So now we've been able to successfully create the company name field and the favorite city field on our registration page. Thank you for staying with us. See you again later. But before you go, do not forget to hit the subscription and notification button. Bye.